Okay, hi all. So as per the today's update, so due to this COVID, CBSE has reduced the 30% of the syllabus. So 30% of the syllabus in each subject. So that in today's class we are going to discuss about 30% which are the syllabus reduced in mathematics and which all the concepts to be considered and which are the examples to be solved and which are the exercise to be not solved. So that are the in detail things we are going to discuss now. So you can see that the first chapter in the mathematics is real numbers. In the real numbers, in first chapter they have removed what Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma means which regards exercise 1.1. So they have removed it, means no need to solve the exercise 1.1 and the examples solved based on the what Euclid's division lemma, so no need to do it. Okay, if I go to the what second chapter, so which is called as what polynomials. So in polynomials they have given that statements and the simple problems of the what division algorithm and the polynomial of the real coefficients. Okay, in second exercise no need to do so Euclid's division algorithm, so which means you no need to touch the exercise what 2.3 and examples in the optional. So examples in the optional, so example number 3 and example number 4 and example number 5 no need to do it. So if I go to the third chapter, which is called as what pair of linear equations. So in pair of linear equations they have removed the what cross multiplication method. So if I go to the what exercises there in the third chapter, so 3.5, in 3.5 example number 1 and example number 3, example number 1 and example number 3 no need to do it. So if you see anywhere, if they ask you to what solve by cross multiplication method of the what linear pair of the what given equations, so that they have the all examples we have to remove there. Okay, no need to do them. So if I go to the what fourth exercise, which is called as what quadratic equations. Okay, in quadratic equation one happy thing is they have removed almost all the word problems. In real life situation problems also we can call it as, so which are reducible to the what quadratic equations, right? So that all examples are removed, no need to do the word problems in the what fourth, which is called as quadratic equations. In arithmetic progression they have removed the word problems based on the sum of the series, which means in the fifth chapter no need to do the examples from the exercise 5.3 from example number 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 and 20, no need to do these examples. And also you no need to do the examples in the optional. In optional exercise no need to do the example number what 3, 4 and 5. So which means the word examples based on the sum of the series no need to what do it in the fifth exercise, fifth chapter. Then next one is sixth one. So in triangles they have removed two theorems. So theorems removed means along with their problems also will be removed. So which are those two theorems means area related to the what similar circles, and one more is converse of the Pythagoras theorem. So in the triangle, which are the chapters and which are the examples you no need to do it means in the exercise 6.4 no need to do it, and in 6.5 and in 6.5 first question no need to do it. And example theorem number proof 6.9 theorem no need to do it from the page number 141 to 144. That is nothing but from the theorem of area related to similar circle to the what converse of the Pythagoras theorem from page number 141 to 144 no need to do anything, and exercise 6.4 no need to do, and exercise 6.5 and first one no need to do, and the theorem, so both the theorems are no need to do it in this. Okay, so next I will come to the what coordinate geometry. Okay, in coordinate geometry, so they have removed from exercise questions I am going to tell you. In 7th chapter coordinate geometry means area related to the circle, area related to the triangle, finding the area of the triangle by using the vertices they have removed there. In coordinate geometry from page number 168 to 170 no need to do it, and exercise 7.3 no need to do it. So in coordinate geometry in 7th chapter page number 168 to 170 no need to touch, and exercise 7.3 no need to do it. In optional in optional. So exercise example number 5, 6 and 7 are no need to do it. Okay, so this is about what coordinate geometry. So if I go to the what 8th chapter, which is what trigonometry. So in the trigonometry they have given that angles regarding so 0 degree and 90 degree no need to study, but as per my opinion, so better to study trigonometry whole. Why? Because if you go to the first year, so we are not having an introduction part there, so directly they will start what chapter there, so better to read whole trigonometry. Okay, so if I come to the 9th chapter, which is called as application of the what trigonometry, I think application of the trigonometry you have to do it all, because nothing is removed there. If I come to the chapter number 10, so circles also you have to what do it whole. So if I come to the 11th chapter, so which is called as what construction. So in 11th chapter, in construction of the similar triangles they have removed. Construction of the similar triangle means so exercise 11.1 you have to do first question you have to do, and remaining all no need to do. So in exercise 11.1 you have to do only first question, and remaining don't do it. Remaining don't do in exercise 11.1. Okay, in exercise in 12th chapter. Okay, in 12th chapter they have given that so finding the what segment as well as the sector there. So angle, regarding the angle 120 degree means we have to exclude the examples there. So page number 228, example number 3 no need to do it. And in exercise 12.2, 7th question, no need to do it. So in the 12th chapter only 2 questions are excluded, which means the angle regarded what 120 degree, if you see anywhere in the question you have to what exclude it. So if I come to the 13th chapter, which is called as what surface area and volume, they have removed about all the frustum, which is nothing but the last exercise in 13.4 I think. So 13.4 no need to do it. So in 13.4 along with the exercise, which are the chapters examples to be removed in optional exercise. Optional exercise, we have to remove question number 6 and 7. Question number 6 and 7 to be removed there. And if I come to the what statistics, in statistics there are 3 types of finding the mean there. First one regular method, second one by assumed mean method, third one is they have removed in 14 they have removed that step deviation method of what finding the mean. So which are the examples to be removed means exercise 1 and 2 you have to do it, 1 2 3 you have to do it. And along with that so because they have not given particularly find by using the step deviation method, right? Step deviation method you no need to do it, so but also they will ask you to find the mean, right? So there are other 2 methods, by assumed mean method or the direct method, you are going to find it there. So again they have removed what that OGU nothing but a cumulative frequency curve, that is nothing but the exercise 14.4. so they have removed it, so no need to do exercise 14.4. so if I come to the example number chapter number 15, you have to do it full. Okay, so before solving this chapters and getting an idea about these chapters, you have to keep NCERT textbook in front of you, and you have to note it down the things, then that will be easy for you.